The year was 2020, and somebody was murdered. Hello, everyone. Um, it's this day. Today is March 25th, the Thursday. Uh, the aim. This is based on the feedback that I give everyone on their projects. Um, so, how do we add images, add new pages, and link them all together? The purpose of today is I'm going to show a tutorial on those three things uh, so that you can watch it back. And so if I commented on your project, um, you need to add additional images or you need to add new pages. You can watch these parts of the video to see how to do that. So the website is due tomorrow. I know that many people, this is a really stressful time. I know that many people have had difficulty getting on the computer. Starting next week, we will be continuing with new things because I think we're ready. But I do, for those who are struggling, I am flexible a little bit if you need the weekend or if you need help or anything, but please try to reach out somehow to me so I know. I know it's difficult, but I can help you if you try to reach out to me. Okay. So with that all aside, there will be a question for today. As always, as a whole, we're very good about that. And the project is due tomorrow. So let me, first, I left everyone a comment in lesson 9, number 6. Lesson 9, number 6 is where I left everyone feedback. So you can read that. If it was blank, I just said do the project, but I get that it's complicated. So, okay, first, how to add an image. So, first thing, add an image. How to do that? Here's my website. Not very good so far. All that good stuff here. So say I want an image of a squid. Go to images, squid. And let me make it not complicated. So I'll take this one. So there are a couple ways you can do control plus click to right click. If you have a mouse, you can just right click. Or you can, if you have a Chromebook, you two-finger click. All of those things get right click. Right click, save image as, and then you can name it, whatever, squid. Save image as, and then you go back here, add image, upload file, downloads, find your squid. Everyone make sure you find your squid before moving on. Find your squid, upload, oops, I already did that. Successfully uploaded, close it, and then you got yourself a squid. So to add it, we use the image tag, img, and you got a couple things. You got the source, you type this, it will fill in automatically. So we do boop, 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 boop. I want to add my image of a squid, src, source, and then if you just hit equals, you get the option. You can also take a selfie apparently. Interesting. Cool. Still red, still problems, but that's fine. Next, alt, you describe what it is. You just write what it is. This is for blind people or people that would prefer it like read out to them, or if the image doesn't load. So this is a squid. And then finally you can close it. Whoa, but this one's way too big. Way too big. So if you want to change the size, then you can change then the width. And you can set that to be, you know, something like 300. It's based on pixels. So big, it's going to be a bigger number than you think. 400, whatever you think is right. So if you want to change the size, you can use width or height, something like that. And that would be a working picture. Cool. Next up, add a new page. Next up, add HTML. Done. It's that easy. Now, if you, a lot of people head new -2 and stuff. That's okay. It's fine, but why not be more descriptive? So then 2-finger click again, or control click, or right click, and rename. I'm gonna make this. No, I was gonna say tentacles, but that's kind of weird. Sea creatures. I'm gonna name it that. And then cool. So for add a new picture, add HTML, and then right click to rename. Now, index will always be called index. This, do not rename it. You can't, you're not even allowed to rename it. It doesn't let you because it's the first page it goes to. So now that we're adding so many pages, we need to know which one to show first if you go to the website, and that's always index. I don't know why it's called index, just is. That's easy. And then third tutorial, link the pages. So say I want to, right underneath my website, I want to link, I want to list all the websites, say for example. Maybe so I can do A. This is the new one. So you use A for anchor, then href, and then similar to image, href. If you click it, it'll give you a list of things. So sea creature. If you have a space, it's going to do something weird. That's okay. It'll still work. I haven't closed it yet, so everything is this weird link stuff. Close it. But now I'm getting an error because this if you close it, this is where you type link words here, and then you close it after. It's almost more like a normal tag than images. Sea creatures. And then you have a link, and it'll take you to your new website. Each one, sea creatures. Now, to make this really good, I'm going to bring you back to the sample. This lovely, lovely friend, what a weird smiley face. Nothing against smiley face. Spy? Oh boy. Oh boy. Anyway, no judgment. Everything is good. Everything's great. Everything's cool. Notice how when I click this, it's the same on every single page. This is perfect. This is perfect. It's exactly what websites do. For code.org, they always have this icon there. Even when I'm home, I can always click there. It's the same order because this same order on any page, it reminds the person where you are. So like, even if I'm the projects page, I still know where I am. So that's why I recommend to you that you do it like this, that you just take the code, copy it, and just paste it on every single page. Make it look exactly the same. I think it's actually on the rubric too, to have a consistent, I'll be a little easier, but a consistent structure. Okay, Google question for today. How are you feeling with your schoolwork? Do you have too much work, too little work, etc.? I really just want to take a time when nearing the end of the week to check in with everyone's mental health. This is a difficult time. And yeah, that's all. This is how to answer the question. So to recap, project due tomorrow, Google question due today. We did a tutorial of these 3 things: images, new pages, links. And make sure to review my comments on your stuff. So have a good day, everyone. Maybe next time. Tune in next time to find out who was murdered on that Thursday night massacre. Maybe it's a little too gruesome. Find out. I don't know. Whatever. I'm going insane. Goodbye, everyone. Stay sane.